20 birthday parties.
Thank you so much for...
Yeah, she's not crying anymore, but I know she's happy.
Of course. Kasi kahapon nag-celebrate din kami, pero ngayon, syempre, di ba, we have to celebrate too. Ay, lakas talaga ng aircon dito sa Manila.
Let's make a wish first then, and then we can talk.
My wish is to be back in Manila to perform for you guys. And I hope 21 and Blackjacks will always be healthy and happy. Mahal na mahal ko pero talaga. Pinatay ng aircon. Thank you so much!
Happy birthday, Dara!
Let's take a picture again.
Thank you,
Thank
guys!
you so much.